a drum as a toy for Christmas. He was one of the greatest innovators. The note went right. It's a whole yard full of man.
Okay, so the first shoe, this one, it came out a little stiff. It's an old roll of TPU. I think it's a 95A, but it isn't labeled. I don't have a different durometer, so we'll play with some settings to print the second one. I printed that one with 2 perimeters, so we don't want to do less than that. I did drop the info. We did a 30% gyroid on the first one, maybe a 20% gyroid. I don't remember. We were down to a 5% tricubic, I think it was. Moment of truth. I still hate Crocs.
You know somebody's gonna go, did you seriously take your door apart for that?